Hello students, welcome to our geography class. From last video we starting the lesson number 9, tourism, transport and communication. We completed some points. Now let us start geographical explanation. You will find that because of the vast longitudinal extent of the country, the difference between two extreme points is around 168 minutes, means 2 hours 48 minutes. There are different time zones in the country. Brazil has 4 time zones. It is behind GMT by 2, 3, 4, 5 hours. The red line in the map shown the GMT 03 time zone, which is considered to be the official Brazilian time, BRT. It is 3 hours behind GMT. Development of communication Brazil. Telecommunication service in Brazil are well developed and efficient. Telecommunication service in Brazil is well developed. This industry includes landline as well as mobile services, television broadcasting, radio broadcasting and computer internet access. Today more than 45% of Brazilian population has access to the internet. In India also, the telecommunication infrastructure is fairly modern, particularly in central south Brazil. However, the north and northwest are drastically less developed. Over recent years, mobile telephones have led the rapid expansion of telecommunication services in Brazil. The nature of Brazilian territory, especially land mass size and the large pockets of unpopulated and densely visited areas, created significant impediments to the expansion in coverage of telecommunication service. Here student, telecommunication service in Brazil are well developed and efficient. Insufficient. This industry includes landline as well as mobile. Both the service included in this service. Landline also mobile. Brazil is developing technology to send domestically and made satellites into space with its own rockets. The next point is communication in India. In this way we complete the communication Brazil, then communication in India. Study the map given figure 9.13. Here student, you see the 9.13 location and extent and answer the following question. Here some questions we complete. Calculate the difference between the two longitudinal extreme of mainland India. Is it more than Brazil? Here student, first question is calculate the difference between the two longitudinal extremes of mainland India. Is it more than Brazil? You see the figure 9.3. You complete the answer of this question with the help of 9.13. First point is the difference between the two longitudinal extremes of east and west. Mainland India is about 29%. The difference between two longitudinal extremes of east to west, mainland Brazil is about 39% and India is 29%. The difference between the two longitudinal extremes of mainland India is lesser than that of Brazil. Then our next question is, which longitude in India is called the Indian Standard Time, IST? Which longitude in India is called the Indian Standard Time? The 82 degree 30 E longitude is called Indian Standard Time, IST. Then our third question is, what is the difference between IST and GMT? IST time is 5 hours and 30 minutes ahead of GMT. Then last question is, how many local times are there in India? There are 29 local times and 1 standard time in India. Here completed figure 9.13 and also completed lesson number 9.